Hello friends and my dear students, welcome to the channel Pharmacy Classes by Dr. K.K. Sahu. In today's video, we will learn what's the difference between adverse effect, side effect and toxic effect. So side effect and toxic effect, both are the types of adverse effect. And now what is adverse effect? Any undesirable effect of the drug administration at that particular time of treatment. Means all those effects of the drug which are not required by us, whether it is beneficial or not. Let's have example of atropine. Okay, atropine. It is a well-known anticholinergic drug. We all know that it is a well-known anticholinergic drug, as it blocks all the nerve transmission of cholinergic. So, what are its major effect? It increases heart rate. It also increases the function of CNS, and in eye, it causes mydriasis. Okay, means increase the size of pupil, which is known as mydriasis. These are its major effect. Now what are its other effect? Anti-secretory effect. It means it decreases the secretion of various glands, okay, such as salivation and anti-gastric effect. Almost all gland have negative effect on it. It also has action on smooth muscle. It relaxes the smooth muscle. Okay, so these are its other effect. So if you are using the atropine to increase heart rate, CNS functions and causing mydriasis in the eye, this effect become side effect. Okay, because they are not required at that particular time of treatment. But in case of pre-anesthetic condition, decrease in glandular secretion and relaxation of smooth muscles are required, and it are very essential. Okay, so at that particular time of treatment, that is pre-anesthetic condition, these effects become useless, or we can say it becomes side effect of that particular drug. Okay, and suppose if these effects are required by the atropine, this particular effect, then this extra effect are there, so it becomes adverse effect of that atropine at that particular time of treatment. So adverse effect is nothing but the extra effect from the therapeutic effect. Okay, now adverse effect is of two types, predictable and unpredictable. What is predictable adverse effect? Means which can be predicted. It is dose related, means increasing or decreasing the dose can affect its. It is common effects, means we can known with these effects, and it is preventable also. We can prevent it by adjusting the dose. But unpredictable adverse effect is uncommon, not easily known. Okay, so it is uncommon. It is not dose related, means decreasing the dose does not affect it. Okay, and it is not preventable. We can't prevent ourselves from this unpredictable adverse effect. So these are the basic of adverse effect. Now side effect and toxic effect are the types of predictable adverse effect. Actually these are the subtypes of predictable adverse effect. Means they are preventable, we can prevent it. This can be dose adjustable, means their effect can be adjustable by increasing or decreasing the dose. It is very common to us, means we are known about these effects. Now we should see the difference between these two effects. Okay, side effect and toxic effect. So the first difference is side effect is unavoidable. Means we can't avoid these effects. Okay, it is very simple, less serious effects, but we can't avoid it, such as nausea, vomiting, dizziness. All these effects are side effect. Okay, whenever we administer the drug, this is going to happen, but toxic effect is avoidable. We can avoid it. It is very serious effects, so it is dose related effects. The second difference is it occurs at the therapeutic dose, means side effect occur along with the therapeutic dose. If some drug is active at 100 mg, then it occurs at this 100 mg. Okay, no need to increase the dose to face it. But in case of toxic effect, it is due to overdose or prolonged use of the drug. If we overdose the some drug or use it for a long time, then it causes toxic effect. For example, if some drug is active at 100 mg, then increasing the dose at 200 mg, 300 mg may leads to the toxic effect. Okay, simple. Third difference is side effect does not involve any major organ. means there is no any tissue damage in case of side effect. So there is no any damage of vital organ, which is very common in case of toxic effect such as CNS, CVS, kidney, liver and lungs. All the major vital organs are involved in case of toxic effect, and there must be a tissue damage. Fourth difference is side effect does not lead to the death generally. Yes, it does not involve any tissue damages of the vital organs, so it does not lead to the death. But toxic effect, as it involves the vital organs with their respective tissue damages, which may lead to the serious problem to the body, so it may cause death also. Okay, and it may cause suicidal tendency also. So these are the major difference between side effect and toxic effect. So let's understand these two terms with the help of some example. First example is codeine, and it is well known anti-cough agent. We all know that it helps to suppress the cough, but it may lead to the constipation and addiction also. So these two additional effects are become side effect of codeine, because as these two effects are not necessary, not required by us during their cough treatment. Okay, so it becomes their side effect. In case of sulfonamide, antibacterial effect is also shown and hypoglycemic effect is also shown by it. So if we require antibacterial effect, hypoglycemic effect is not required, it becomes side effect. And if we require hypoglycemic effect to lower the blood glucose, okay, particular for diabetes, then antibacterial effect becomes side effect. So these are the two aspects of any drug therapy. Those effects which are not required, which is not necessary for that particular time of treatment, that becomes the adverse effect or side effect, which is less serious effect. Okay. In fact, sulfonamide was firstly discovered as antibacterial effect. Okay. Later on, hypoglycemic effect was demonstrated by it, so it becomes hypoglycemic agent also. So that's the fact behind it. Toxic effect example is morphine, which is analgesic as that of the codeine at therapeutic dose, but at overdose or prolonged use of the drug leads to the respiratory failure. So this is the toxic effect. Clear? Next example is streptomycin. It is well known anti-TB drug, means it has activity against tuberculosis, but at the therapeutic dose. At overdose or at prolonged use of the drug, it may lead to the ear damage, means it depresses the hearing capacity of the patient in overdose or in, we can say, prolonged use of the drug. Okay, when we are using the therapy for long time, then it might lead to the ear damage of that patient. So this is the basic difference between side effect and toxic effect. I hope it would be clear now to you all that what is side effect, toxic effect and adverse effect. If anyone asks, you can explain these terms. Okay, so these are all about today's video. If you like the video, kindly support my effort, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Meet you soon on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.